Storms, Heat Fallacy, Part 1. Wind Basics. Storms require temperature differences to gain in strength. In fact, wind will never blow unless there is a temperature difference to give wind both direction and energy. When you see a weather chart with a big H for high pressure or L for low pressure, you're seeing the results of temperature differences. Cooling makes air take up less space, so pressure goes down. Warming makes air take up more space, so pressure goes up. The greater the temperature difference, the greater the wind potential. We're all familiar with the idea that hot air rises. We see it in smoke coming off of a fire, or steam rising over a cup of hot coffee or tea. We see it in the hot air balloon rising into the sky. And we may also be familiar with the notion that cold air descends. Open a refrigerator door and feel the cool air rushing past your ankles. This is why the better position for a wall air conditioner is higher above the floor rather than next to the floor. Between the two actions, we get the basis of wind. And this is why global warming in an ice age produces stronger storms, but fewer of them. And if you have zero storms, it doesn't matter what their potential strength would have been. 0 times any strength is still 0 storms and 0 damage. Gotta love that 0. In fact, in our modern major warm period, the Holocene, 1,000-year cycle, the strongest categories of tornadoes, EF4 and EF5, have been on a strong downtrend for more than 60 years. And reached a count of 0 in 2018 for the first time since the record was kept. On Earth, the biggest source of warmth is, of course, the more direct sunlight in the tropics, and the biggest source of cold is in the ice at the poles. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to realize that if we melt the ice, there will be far less temperature difference on Earth, and wind will grow more calm.